What up, friends? So I did a pair of cotton candy Spectraply knuckles, and I made a video for it. If you haven't seen it, I'll throw a card there or up there. One of the others should be here or here. Anyways, so I got a huge response from it, not only on the video itself, more in person. I showed it to a lot of people, and so many people were like, that's completely awesome. So I decided to make more knuckles, and so my plan is I'm gonna do a whole series on making knuckles from different types of wood. Today we're going to use a 2x4, actually two 2x4s, and I'm gonna make 2 sets, one for each hand. So that being said, I think it's time to get started.
So this was my original idea, my original drawing. Just did it on a piece of cardboard, cut it out with a scalpel, and I'm going to make 2 of these. Now, it looks a little 2D right now, but when it gets done, you'll see how awesome it is. I've already glued up my boards and did the drawings for both of them. Check that out. Just some plain old crappy scrap wood 2x4s. Basically, I found this shelf, and I took it apart, and I was like, well, my lady said, hey, you need to make more knuckles. And I was like, bet. So that's today's project. So, as you can see, got this cut. That's where the 2x4s are joined. Will they come off? Nah, I don't believe so. Either way, that's what we got so far. Next step is to cut it down here, and I'm not going to do this part. I've changed my mind. I'm going to do something a little bit different, a little bit easier, because I think it'll hold in the hand better. I don't know how well you can see it, but I put it all over it just to cover any cracks and holes. And right now I'm just going to do a quick sand over it, and probably going to use a light grit.
So we got some 120. I'm gonna hit it with that.